Hello, how y'all doing today? My name is Julie. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and this is a new month. We're in Things We're Making Thursday. So I'm pretty sure, let me know in the comments if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this month is, for the month of May, is household items. And I got a few started on that, but one of the rare moments where I have coffee, which I'm not an active coffee drinker, but realize one of the things we're sitting on could be a household item we can make it, and that is a coaster. This is, if you have a whole bunch of these extra CDs around, I have a CD coaster pattern, which I will leave that in. I'll leave that in the description if you want to make one of those. I'm not sure if I'm going to make any more of these, but I have extra CDs for sure. I might make now, but no guarantees. But I know for sure, the first thing I thought of was dishcloths. And I got a bunch of those, especially when we were actively doing Scrubby Sunday. That, I had made a whole bunch of dishcloth patterns. I have a kitchen and bath playlist, so I will leave that playlist in the description too if you want to check out some of my dishcloth patterns. But anyway, let us proceed to what I got going on. It's early month, so I did start a couple things. We did start April, but I thought, hey, let's finish these up this month. All right, this is gonna be a towel slash, like a towel topper. So this is a start. This is the towel part. And then I will make the top for it. I know I had extra chains, so I'll incorporate that somehow. But there's no pattern, I'm just winging it. I don't know if you can see, it is, I think, 2 single crochets together and you skip a stitch. So yeah, this will be a towel. That'll have a little topper on it. So I got that started. And the only other thing that I got started, which I think would be considered a household item, and that is a basket I started. Mostly baskets can be used to store stuff in, so I started making a basket. That was my thumbnail. But yeah. Short video. That is all I got going on so far. Just to start like this. I think I plan. I'm also in the this month is the Mystery Yarn Challenge. That's hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef. I can see what I'm going to receive yarn this month. I can see what yarn I'm going to get and see if it will inspire me to make a household item. Maybe another basket. I do like making baskets, so. Okay, I know, very, very, very short video, but because you probably just see most of the stuff I have in my work in progress stuff, so make sure you stay tuned for that. See how these projects turn out. I know, enough babbling. So if you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this or any of my tutorials or what are the other things going on like Stash Down, which I need to make another video for. We're in May, so I gotta make a video for that. That is hosted by Bridget over at Queen's Craft by Bridget. Or if you want to see the Mystery Yarn Challenge stuff, that'll be coming up. That is hosted by Lori at over at Armchair Chef. And I'm also doing hats for the Bot Hat Palooza. That is hosted by Laura at Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. Which remind me, I have not even checked out this week's hat yet. So that is it for real. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.